how to control your boyfriend to get anything that you want. Hello my beautiful ladies, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So in this video, I will share with you a top secret on how to control your boyfriend to get anything that you want. But before I'll share with you this secret, please take my test. Are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in the video description box below. So let me share with you first 4 most common ways on how controlling a guy makes you lose a guy, so you don't do these crucial mistakes. The first most common way on how to lose a guy by controlling him in the incorrect way is asking him, where are you, who you with, what time you coming home. So ladies, this turns guys off big time, because by asking him these questions, you come across as you're really insecure and that you do not trust him. He's gonna be like, you're not my mom, you're not my dad, I'm not a child, why are you behaving with me this way? The potential result of this will be that he will want to break through the cage that you are trying to set up for him. This way of control never works, and it actually makes you lose a guy very fast. The second way of how controlling a guy does not work is victimizing yourself and guilt tripping. For example, you never spend time with me, we never hang out, we never go here, we never go there. Guilt tripping another person does not work, as the guy needs to give you what he wants to give you freely. Let's say you have that friend that is quite needy, attention seeking, and now your friend wants more attention from you, so we come to you guilt tripping you. Oh Greta, we never go out, you never call me, you never tell me how you are, you never ask me how I am, you're just focused on yourself, I feel so lonely. Ladies, would you go out with that friend? No, you would be like, hold on a minute, make yourself happy. You cannot make me go out with you if I don't want to go out with you. And if I will still go out with you because you're victimizing yourself, I will go out with you because I feel petty for you. That's not love. So ladies, trying to control a man by victimizing yourself or guilt tripping him will never work, because he's not gonna go out with you because he feels petty for you. A guy is not gonna be with a girl that he feels sorry for. A guy is gonna be with a girl that he admires, that he values, that he respects. A girl who makes herself happy and is a high value woman. And ladies, how to be a woman of high value, please check out my free video right here. The third way of how controlling a man never works is when he's trying to break up with you and you're holding on to him. You're saying, please don't break up with me, I love you so much, don't leave me this way, I have done this and this and this for you, how could you just break up with me like that? Ladies, telling a guy not to dump you is another form of trying to control his behavior that does not work. What's gonna happen instead? He will start seeing you as low value, as desperate, as sad, as a girl who cannot live without him. The opposite of a challenge, the opposite of what a man finds attractive. Ladies, how to be a woman who is a challenge, please check out my link right here. If a guy is trying to break up with you and you're going to try and chase him in order to control him to stay with you, this will backfire. And even if he gets back to you because he feels sorry for you, long term he will still break up with you, because again, no man will stay with a woman that he sees as low value, desperate, and feels sorry for. Fourth way on how controlling a guy does not work is telling him what to do. So for example, if you are dating a smoker, but you don't like that a guy smokes and you want him to stop smoking, so telling him to stop smoking because you don't like that, or threatening him to break up with him because he smokes. Or if a guy has a hobby that you do not like and you were aware of that hobby when you were getting into a relationship with him, now you're telling him to leave that hobby behind and not to do it anymore because you do not like it. It is telling a guy what to do or what not to do does not work. First, he's gonna get rebellious and he's gonna be like, you're not my mom, you're not my dad, I'm a grown man who can do whatever I want to do. I have the freedom to do what I want to do. And the second thing, what often happens is when you tell a guy that you don't like something about him, he'll just start doing it behind your back. So ladies, these were 4 ways on how controlling a guy and trying to get him to please you does not work. Now ladies, let me share with you this top secret, how to control your guy to get anything that you want. Now the answer to this, ladies, but don't get disappointed because a good part is coming, okay? You cannot control the other person. You can only control yourself. However, this is the good part. When you master self-control of yourself, this is when you end up controlling others and getting them to do anything that you want. How? Well, when you make yourself happy, people want to spend time with you. When you are independent, you're not focused on him, but you are focused on yourself and do your own thing. Automatically, he will want to know where are you and who you with. So by being happy, independent, and focused on yourself, you will end up controlling him. The more you take responsibility for your behavior, the more independent you are of your life. The more you make yourself happy, the more people want to be with you, the more people are curious about you, the more people want to find out more. So by controlling yourself, you end up controlling others also. And how to control your boyfriend to get anything that you want? Ladies, when you are an amazing woman who is in control of her life, who is focused on her life, who is making herself happy, he will be so smitten by you that he'll do anything for you to give you what you want. And ladies, if you would like to know how to make a guy fall in love with you, please watch my free video right here. So now ladies, that you know how not to control the other person in order not to lose them, and how you can control the other person by controlling yourself first, do not forget to take my self-awareness free quiz, Are You a Woman of High Value or Low Value, which you will find down in my video description box below. So if you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Share it with the ladies who need it. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be a woman of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one or group coaching, book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and then get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. Thank you so much for watching, queens. Kisses from Manchester.